Hello, and welcome to video 2, and welcome to reality. A couple more things before we embark on our adventure. You do not need to be a mathematician, a physicist, a chemist, a scientist, a genius, or all of the above combined to understand reality. That is part of the conspiracy that has been perpetrated upon you. Governments and powers that be have made you think you need that. Look, when the universe started, when reality sprang into existence, it was very simple. It started with nothing. It didn't start with an equation. It didn't start with a physics professor. It didn't start with calculus. And for you to believe, or anyone to believe, that you need to understand math and calculations and all this to understand reality and our existence, that's insanity. Because math wasn't there when it started. Math came a lot later. Granted, it helps to explain some things, but only to prove them in a mathematical sense. As a matter of fact, now when anyone publishes a theory, for it to be accepted among any place to publish any kind of scientific paper, you have to have a mathematical theory backing it up. And that's just ridiculous because the universe didn't start with math. And we don't need math to explain it. There'll be some math in here and some stuff for those of you that want it, but it's not needed. You can skip it if you're not interested in it, you won't need it. And that's the nice part about this, what we're going to embark on. As Hawking, as Einstein said, as anyone who understands reality says, the ultimate truth behind reality is one easily understood by the average man. Remember, Einstein didn't give us the theory of relativity. Many people think he did, but he didn't. He gave us a general theory of relativity. He never said it was the theory of relativity. As a matter of fact, he says exactly the opposite in his book on the last page. He says, this is not the accurate theory of relativity. Doesn't say he doesn't know what the accurate theory of relativity is. He says, quote, I feel for the present time it's not justified to give a more accurate theory. That's clearly saying that, yeah, he knows a more accurate theory, but it's not justified at the present time to give one. Because this is huge, immense power. Knowledge is power. And with this power, a lot of bad could be done. Look what happened when Einstein released the general theory of relativity. The atom bomb, he didn't know that was what was going to come from it. We still live under nuclear annihilation threat. Einstein still may have very well destroyed the world. So do you really think that that we haven't progressed since Einstein's general theory of relativity? Nothing better has come along? Yeah, it has. The whole truth has. But it's not being given to us. Until now. The next video is a simple one and it's fun. And it's just meant to open your mind and start you in the power of belief. Because the power of belief is extremely essential. It doesn't matter if you're Christian, Catholic, paganism, believe in the occult, whatever. I'm not going to change anybody's beliefs, but I am going to empower them. You will empower yourself. Whatever you choose to believe in, you will learn how to believe. If you believe in God, you will shake the hand of God. You will meet Him. If you don't believe in God, whatever you believe in, you will experience that to be real. I know that sounds strange, but that is reality. All things that exist hold some truth in them, and we won't be taking away any truth from anybody. What you believe, you'll still believe when we're done. But for the first time, you'll actually believe it. You might think you believe in something now, but you don't. You can't really believe in anything except things that you can see, touch, smell, hear, things that you can experience with your senses in reality. That's what you believe in. And that's what these videos are going to do for you. They're going to show you that source of energy, the power that created the universe, the power, the infinite power that you use every day that you don't even know it. And it's going to show you how you can use it, but the difference is in reality. For the first time, there's no leap of faith. There's no just believe, just think and it will happen. No, there's none of that. For the first time, you will see, touch, and experience this power, this energy. So please progress to video 3, and we will get started on the truth about reality.